I teach you how to use this one to make clamp meter there. How many ampere? Okay? You put how you use this one about the ampere. This one, if ampere, if clamp meter, do not use this. Do not use this. Okay? This ampere, do not use the voltage. Okay? Clamp meter, always use for this. You try to clamp. You try to clamp. Yes, that one. No. Clamp meter, how many ampere this one? You try. This one? One by one. How many? 0. The other one. This one is not activate. The other one. This one. How many?
50.
15.4. The other.
51. 15.0.
One. You are the other one.
15.5.
15.5. The other here. You try here. 15.5. Okay. Here. You try here. 46.9. The other.
46.3.
3. Okay. The other. Do not make 2. Okay.
Yeah.
46.9. Okay. That's good. Check the voltage. Where did you put this one? Easy. This one easy voltage. Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay. You check the voltage. How you check? How many voltage?
384.
384. The other. Do not short. Okay. How much?
383.5.
Then transfer. This one put here. The same?
Yeah.
If the same voltage, then considered good. Okay? No problem. Okay, now check the down.
This one?
Do not short, Do not short. Check how many?
383.
383. The other side must be the same. Okay?
Yeah. 83. Yeah.
383.
Yeah.
Okay, the other side. If I said in the other side, you make here and here. Okay? Must be you check if that is balanced or not.
383.
Okay, plus that one there, the same. For
384.
384. The other side.
384.
Okay, on the other side, like that.
383.
Okay, that's good. Remember, if you take the voltage, must be like that. Okay? Voltage.
This
Here voltage.
This voltage, this
Battery voltage.
Yeah.
Okay? Ampere, mapi use hina.
Okay.
Ampere hina. Do not put power, but in this one damage. Okay? Put in your mind. Okay? If ampere, mapi use.
Okay. This.
But in clamp meter, wahid. Mapi itnin. But in damage. Okay? Like that. One by one for the clamp meter. But then voltage, lagim, same. Mapi same hina, ada pi muskila. Okay? Okay, that's good.